I welcome you all to Brilliant Public Schools online channel. Today we will discuss about chapter number 4, linear equations in two variables of class 9. So let us start. Very first of all, you should understand what a linear equation in two variable means. So this is the standard form of linear equation in two variables where you can see here it is pointed out that x and y are the two variables and a, b, c are constants, and no doubt it is written over there that these will be just numbers. So it could be anything, like if I will give you one example, 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. So this is an example of a linear equation. So where you can see a is being replaced by 2, b is being replaced by 3, and c value you can see at both the places value of c would be different. So if I will go with this standard formula, first of all I have to do some changes. I have to make it 2x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0, and then I can say that value of c is minus 7. So this is the way we express a linear equation in two variables. You can see there is one more example, but the only thing is that here we have only one variable. So one variable also we have studied, but this time we have to study about two variables. So there could be more examples, like if the same I can write as 4x plus 5y is equals to 17. So in this case, the same expression would be a little different, and this you can write in two variables. Here also you can see, as it is an equation, there would be an equal to sign, and there will be LHS and RHS as well. Okay, now we are talking about the solutions of linear equation. So as I have written 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. I have taken one example. So here you can say that value of one variable is dependent on value of other. Like see, I can say value of x is dependent on y. For example, you see, if I will take for y is equal to 1. Okay, for y equals to 1. So when I will substitute, I would be getting 2x plus 3 into 1, which is value of y, equals to 7. And when I will solve this, I will get 2x is equal to 7 minus 3. 2x is equals to 4, and if I will transpose 2 in the denominator, so I would be getting 4 upon 2, that means value of x will come 2. So here you can say, if I will talk about the solution, I would be getting a solution as 2 comma 1, because we write the value of x first and then the value of y. So here you can see one thing, that we can have infinite solutions. Okay, because for all the values of y, or better I should say, for different values of y, you would be getting different values of x. Okay, so I should make it very clear that there are infinite solutions for a linear equation in two variables. Now, also we have one thing, that we can check if the solution is of the given equation or not. So here also you can see, here we have 0 comma 2, and we have to check if this is a solution for the given equation. So if it is a solution, I can say x is given 0 and y is given 2. So let us substitute these values in this equation and check that if LHS and RHS is coming equal or not. So if I will take LHS, I would be getting x means 0 plus 2 into y is also 2. So this time if I will solve, I am getting a plus 4, but RHS is given minus 4. So in this condition, I should better say 0 comma 2 is not a solution, okay, of the given linear equation, is not a solution. So in this manner, we uh, we have questions where we can check if it is a solution or not. Also here you can see we have linear equations, and for each and every linear equation we can make a graph, and no doubt the graph will be a straight line. Here you can see we have a linear equation 3x plus 4y equals to 12, and no doubt if I will talk about the first value, it is 4 comma 0. So here also you can see if it is 4 comma 0, so no doubt it will satisfy your equation because 3 fours are 12. So obviously if I will substitute 3 into 4 12 and 4 into y value which is 0. So this time I am going to get 12 plus 0 which is 12 only. So this is one of the solution for 0, and you can see it is on x-axis. Also we have one more equation, sorry, one more solution, that is 0 comma 3, which is on y-axis. So both of the equations, both of the solutions are satisfying your equation. So if we have at least two solutions, here also you can see in the note, minimum you need two solutions if you want to draw the graph. So we have the infinite solutions of any linear equation, and from those all infinite solutions, if we can find any two solutions, we can plot the graph of the linear equation. So it will be a straight line. Also, you can see there are equations of the lines which are parallel to x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so when the line is parallel to x-axis, you can see its value is like y equals to a. A is any constant used here. Like suppose if I have y equals to 3. So this we can write in this manner: 0 into x plus 1 into y, that decimal represents multiplication, gives you 3. So in this condition you can see whatever is the value of x, that will be multiplied with 0. So more or less this is going to be 0 only. So in this condition we will always get y equals to 3, which is a constant number. So better we can say in this manner that whatever value of x we will take, always we will be getting y equals to 3. So in this condition, if y is equal to 3, we will be getting a line parallel to x-axis. Okay, and the opposite also, if suppose always we can take x is equal to 2, so this case y would be 0. So x value is equal to any constant, that means we will be getting a line parallel to y-axis. Let us see with some example. Here you can see value of y is taken up as 3. So when y is taken up as constant, you can see this line which I am marking as PQ, it is coming up parallel to x-axis. And when x is equal to 3.6 in this, we are getting another line, so that you can take as RS, and it would be parallel to the y-axis. So in both the cases, if y is constant, line is parallel to x-axis, and when x is equal to any constant value, the line is parallel to y-axis. Thank you students for watching the video.